What if you take the soul of a carbonara and combine it with the elegant simplicity of a cacio e pepe? You don't get a compromise. You get an origin story. This is pasta alla Gricia. It's known as the white Amatriciana, and it's the ancestor to Rome's most famous dishes. Yet, it remains one of Italy's best kept secrets. Today, we're not just making it, we are mastering it. And I'll show you the one key step that separates a good Gricia from a life changing one. Perfection in Italian cuisine is built on a simple rule: with few ingredients, there is no room for compromise. The quality is the recipe. First, the pasta. You need something with texture, with ridges to capture our sauce. I'm using mezzi rigatoni. Next, the cheese. Now, tradition calls for a pecorino romano, but here is my first secret for you. I'm using an aged pecorino sardo from Sardinia. Why? It has a slightly less aggressive, almost nutty saltiness and a richer complexity that I find elevates the dish from great to sublime. Trust me on this. Grind black pepper over the cheese. And now the soul of the dish, guanciale. This is cured pork cheek, not pancetta, not bacon. Its fat is the flavor engine for our entire sauce. The most common mistake? Cooking it too fast. People blast it on high heat, burning the outside and leaving the inside rubbery. We will not do that. The secret is a slow rendering. Cold pan, medium-low heat. We are not frying it. We are convincing it to sweat, to release its glorious, flavorful fat. See this? The fat slowly renders out, while the meat itself becomes tender on the inside with a perfectly crisp golden shell on the outside. This is not just crunch, it's texture, it's flavor. It's everything. This is liquid gold. Do not throw this away. While the pasta cooks, we prepare for the magic. La Cremina, the glorious sauce. Just before the pasta is al dente, take a small amount of the starchy boiling pasta water. Add it to your pecorino and mix it vigorously. You're not making a soup. You're creating a thick, velvety paste. This is the foundation. And now, the most critical step of the entire video. The one I promise you. Do not add the cheese to the hot pan. You will get a scrambled, clumpy tragedy. The secret is to cool the pasta down just enough. Off the heat, toss, toss, toss. For about 30 seconds. We are coating the pasta in that beautiful fat, but we're also lowering its temperature just slightly. This is the key. And now, we add our cream. Watch. This is it. The starch from the water emulsifies with the fat from the guanciale and the pecorino. No egg, no cream, just technique. An origin story you can taste. The crunch of the guanciale, the sharp, creamy embrace of the pecorino. This is a masterclass in flavor. And now, you have the keys to unlock it. If this video has helped you understand the soul of Italian cooking, do me a small favor. Subscribe and hit the like button. It truly helps the channel. Leave a comment below telling me which Roman pasta is your favorite. Is it Gricia, carbonara, cacio e pepe, or amatriciana? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao!